In this video tutorial, we are going to see how to download high resolution topographic map. So for that, type in US Army Topo Maps and you can see the first link, US Army Maps V17. Click on this link, a KML file will be downloaded like this. Like this file will be downloaded. And after that, we require Google Earth Pro in order to visualize it and download the files. So in the search bar, type in Google Earth Pro and you can see Earth versions. Click on here. So we are going to download this Google Earth Pro for desktop. So click on desktop and you can see the option download Google Earth Pro on desktop. Click once and you can accept and start downloading. Once the download has been finished, we'll install the Google Earth Pro software. It's been completed. Let us close it and in the search bar, let us type in Google Earth Pro and let us open it. So this is how the Google Earth Pro looks like. So now just navigate to the download section and first thing we have downloaded is this US Army maps. Click on this and automatically it will be reflected over here. So we have successfully brought that data into Google Earth Pro. Now click on this so that you can see a lot of grids around the globe and these grids reflects the topo sheets. So each grid covers an topo sheet and you can see that it is not available for the entire globe, but it tends to cover the area somewhat. You can see. So now let us see how to download that. So if you click on here, you can see different scales of topo sheets are available. For example, you can see for the world it is 1:2 2,50,000 and there are some other topo sheets which is having a scale of 1:1 lakh 1:10 lakhs. For Africa you can see it is having 1:20 lakhs. So let us see how it looks like. So you can see world scale 1:2,50,000 how it appears. You can see here. So if you want to have scale of 1:10 lakhs, you can see the grids. If you just zoom into the grids, you can see how it is. Each grid covers a topo sheet. So if I click on 1:20 lakhs, you can find the data only for Africa. Likewise, so let us start to download the topographic map. So select any of the grids, for example, zoom in and click on the center where you can see a square like box and you can see the option maps. Here right click and you can copy this link. So for this grid the map is available. That is a link which we have copied. Now open your browser and just paste the link here. You can see it has been started to download. Now if you want to save this topo sheet, right click and you can see the option save image as. Click on it. So this will be saved as a JPEG image. So let me click on save and after that we can visualize it how it looks like. So you can visualize the topo sheet how it is. You can find the scale of this map below. 1 is to 2,50,000. Contour interval is 20 meters, and you can check on the projection type. Here you can get the additional informations, and on the right hand side you can see some more informations which are available, legends and all. So like this you can download the topo sheets. For some region you can download for different timelines. Use mouse, use R button in keyboard to rotate this map perfectly. So you can see here, if I am going to USA, different years topo sheets is available. So let me click on this one, 1982. So you can see here, like this also you can load the map. Now if you want to download this image, you can see the option over here, open in Firefox or default browser, maybe Chrome also. So click on open in Firefox. Once it is done, you can right click and save the image once again. Let me save the image and let us visualize it. So you can see here, how the image looks like, topo sheet. So like this you can also download for the world 1 is to 10 lakhs. So I'm just going to remove this one, and you can find the world 1 is to 10 lakhs. So if I go to some other region, you can see, you just need to go on to the center. You can see the box over here, and if you want you can click this link, otherwise you can directly copy the link and paste it on your browser and get the image. It's as simple. You can save the image. So like this you can download and visualize high resolution topographic image using Google Earth Pro. So thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and give us a like.